係唔夠1年嘅，幾個月之前咧，咁慈幼會咧就開咗一個全球代表大會，我哋叫做 General Council。咁喺呢個 General Council 入邊咧，有新嘅總會長就係歐達德神父啦。咁但係總會長咧就唔可以成日去晒唔同嘅地方嘅。咁啊同一時間咧，除咗歐達德神父之外咧，咁我哋都有新嘅總部議員。咁啊包括東亞澳區嘅總部議員，咁我哋俗稱咧就叫做區長。咁佢嘅中文名咧叫做馬維爾神父，英文名咧叫做 Father William Matthew。
我要把仇恨放在你和佢人，你的後裔和他的後裔之間，他的後裔要踏碎你的頭顱，你要傷害他的腳跟。
時期一滿，天主就派遣了自己的兒子來，生於女人，生於法律之下，為把在法律之下的人贖出來，使我們獲得義子的地位。哈利路亞，哈利路亞，哈利路，哈利路亞，哈利路亞，哈利路，哈利路亞，哈利路亞，哈利路，哈利路亞。
他的母親給僕役說：他無論吩咐你們什麼，你們就作什麼。
But now, for you students in particular, whether you like it or not, technology is very much part of your life. It's technology everywhere. Internet everywhere. Social media everywhere. AI. So the technology becomes a big thing in our life. And with this technology, we have to think, we have to ask ourselves, how do we use it? How do we make it useful for ourselves? For the good of myself and for the good of our people. With the technology, especially with the internet and social media, you can do two things. You can use it or you can abuse it. You use it for the good or you use it for the bad. It is your choice. And I hope and I pray that you use the internet, you use the social media for the good of yourself and for the good of our people. And even when you talk about artificial intelligence, it's very important too. Depends on how you use it. Make sure that you use it correctly. In our life, it can be a challenge, it can be difficult. We may have problems, we may have difficulties. But we can ask ourselves, how do I, or what am I supposed to do? How do I survive in this life, in these difficulties, in these chaos, in the problem? What can I do? Or from a Christian perspective, being in a Catholic private school here, we can ask ourselves, what can God do for me? What can God do for me in my life so that I can enjoy it? I am happy. So when you think of God, God is a good parent figure. God is someone very, very good, and He wants you to be good. Not only that, He wants you to be happy too.
馬神父嘅道歉，咁跟住進入佢道理嘅第一個重點啦，就係佢係引用咗今日嘅讀經1，就係創世記。咁佢承接翻佢嘅道理入面提到咧，今日嘅 social media 啦同埋人工智能咧就非常之普遍。咁但係普遍咧雖然都係有益於我哋嘅，不過其實我哋都要諗咧，我哋點樣用？究竟我哋係為自己嘅利益啦，定係為緊其他人嘅好處啦，為社會嘅好處？咁佢引用創世記讀經1咧，就係好清楚講咗第一個佢要講嘅重點咧，就係其實喺呢個世界上面咧，好多嘢咧係有限制嘅。
使他在聖母的護佑下團結一致，忠誠為你服務。為此，我們同聲祈禱，求主俯聽我們。耶穌的身體，耶穌的寶血，耶穌
的一切，令我生命復燃，唯有你共我，陪我去度過，才得享歡欣。不管天與地從何開始，將身心都交於你台前，透過聖詩包容我的心，沒畏懼。劇中的你是無窮犧牲，手中的你是燃了全能。
願主與你們同在，
也與你的心靈同在。
請舉心向上，
我們全心歸向上主。
你們大家拿去吃，這就是我的身體，將為你們而犧牲。
請看天主的羔羊，請看除世罪者，奉召來赴聖宴的人是有福的。
主，我擔不起你到我心裏來，只你說一句話，我的靈魂就會痊愈。這已經領受咗聖體聖事嘅教友可以上前領受呢個聖禮，亦都聖交可以先行走咗。
寒冷冬天。